Hello, and welcome back to the channel, where we focus on aging gracefully, staying strong, and living well beyond 60. Today, we're diving into something simple, soothing, and incredibly powerful tea. Yes, a warm cup of tea might seem like just a comforting ritual, but did you know that the right kinds of tea can actually help reduce joint pain, support heart health, and even improve your sleep quality? And here's something even more important. We'll also talk about some common foods and drinks that silently cause inflammation and discomfort in older adults, and how replacing them with healing teas can make a noticeable difference. So, whether you're struggling with aching knees, restless nights, or blood pressure issues, stick around. You may find a simple cup of tea could be one of the best changes you make. Why tea matters more as we age. As we get older, our immune system slows, inflammation increases, and many of us deal with joint stiffness, poor circulation, or sleep troubles. Instead of reaching for another pill, some of the best relief may come from your kitchen cabinet. Teas made from herbs and plants have been used for thousands of years to heal the body gently. And today, modern science is catching up. Research shows that certain teas contain natural compounds that can reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, relax the nervous system, ease joint pain, and even help flush toxins that worsen aging. So now, let's go over 5 of the best teas for seniors, what they do, how to prepare them, and when to drink them for the best results. 1. Ginger tea. The anti-inflammatory hero ginger isn't just for cooking. This root is a powerhouse for reducing pain and stiffness, especially in joints. Studies have shown that daily ginger intake can reduce arthritis symptoms and improve mobility in older adults. Why it works. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols, which work like natural ibuprofen, but without the side effects. How to make it. Use fresh ginger slices or ginger tea bags. Steep in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Add a little honey and lemon if you like. When to drink it. In the morning for energy and circulation, or after meals to support digestion and reduce bloating. Bonus tip: ginger tea also helps with nausea, blood sugar control, and immune strength. 2. Chamomile tea. For deeper, safer sleep. Do you have trouble falling asleep? Or wake up at 3 a.m. and can't drift back? Chamomile tea may be your gentle, natural solution. This soft, floral tea contains apigenin, a compound that binds to receptors in the brain to calm anxiety and promote sleep. Unlike sleeping pills, it doesn't leave you groggy, and it supports better sleep cycles over time. How to make it. Steep dried chamomile flowers or a bag for 5 minutes. Drink it about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. When to drink it. Every night, as part of your wind-down routine. Real-life result. Many seniors find that, after 5 to 7 days of drinking chamomile, they fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And when we sleep better, the body heals better. 3. Hibiscus tea. The heart helper. If you're concerned about blood pressure, heart health, or cholesterol, this one's for you. Hibiscus tea is made from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower and has a beautiful red color, with a slightly tart taste, like cranberry. But don't be fooled by its delicate flavor. Studies have shown hibiscus tea can lower systolic blood pressure by up to 10 points when consumed daily. That's huge, especially for people over 60, where even small improvements in blood pressure can lower the risk of stroke or heart attack. Why it works. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants and natural diuretics, helping the body flush out excess sodium and relax blood vessels. How to make it: steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus petals in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also find hibiscus tea bags at most grocery stores. When to drink it: once or twice a day, especially between meals. Caution: if you're on blood pressure medication, always ask your doctor before adding hibiscus. It's powerful. 4. Turmeric tea for aching, joints, and stiff knees. Turmeric is often called nature's ibuprofen, and with good reason. It contains a compound called curcumin, which fights inflammation in the body. That's incredibly helpful for seniors dealing with arthritis, joint stiffness, or chronic pain. But here's the secret: curcumin needs a little black pepper to activate it properly in your body. So, a proper turmeric tea includes 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, hot water optional, honey, lemon, or even a dash of coconut milk for creaminess. When to drink it: after dinner or before bed to calm inflammation overnight, or in the afternoon if you experience joint swelling. Bonus effect: turmeric tea also supports brain function and may help prevent memory loss as we age. 5. Peppermint tea for digestion, bloating, and calm as we age. Digestion can become slower and more sensitive. Peppermint tea is a fast-acting solution for bloating, indigestion, and even mild constipation. It helps relax the muscles in your digestive tract, improves gas movement, and gives a cooling sensation that many find soothing before bed. How to make it: steep fresh peppermint leaves or tea bags in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. When to drink it: after meals before bedtime to ease stomach tension and reduce nighttime discomfort. You don't need expensive supplements or confusing routines to start feeling better. Often, small, consistent habits, like drinking the right tea every day, can transform your energy, ease your joints, and help you sleep peacefully. So, which tea are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, natural ways to age well and stay strong. Until next time, take care of yourself, one sip at a time.